another video. Okay, welcome. Just in case you're seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Emmanuel, and I am currently a blockchain developer at Web3bridge. And in this week's video, I'm going to just be telling you about what my progress so far. The last video, I talked about how I'd gone from building just smart contracts to also like building front ends that interacts with those smart contracts. And in the last video, I also said that I built a wallet with JavaScript and EtherJS. This week is a progression of last week. In this week, I started using React and NextJS. Those are JavaScript frameworks to interact with my smart contracts. Now, it's a whole lot. Before I got to that point, I had to do like a slight revision of JavaScript because I found out that there were so many things that I missed while learning JavaScript. Now, mind you, I've been using JavaScript for over 2 years, but I still did not know some things. So I had to go back, do a refresher, and I caught up on those things. Those things includes just saying randomly things like mapping, arrays, filter, spread operators, template string. All of those tiny things are the things that are used in React and Next.js. So I did a refresher on them, and then I moved on to building um, the front end with React and Next.js. Now, I started using EtherJS. I also got introduced to other packages, other libraries that you could use to interact with your smart contracts more easily. Some of them are Usedat, Rainbow Kit, Wagmi, um, Connect Kit. There are so many, but the one that I actually ended up using a lot is Wagmi and Connect Kit. So a combination of both of them was what I used to connect, to create a button that can connect to the wallet, to easily interact with the functions I have in my smart contracts, to see balance, all of those transactions. It just made the work way easier, but it still wasn't easy. A whole lot went into it. Like, I did want to do this video because I was not able to like really understand some things. So I waited till I was able to like build several things and was able to solidify the knowledge before I even had courage to come here to start talking. So it actually took a whole lot. And I think that I used to pride myself as a front end engineer. But using these tools were new and it was confusing at the point because I didn't even understand the errors I was getting because they were new tools I hadn't used before. So it just made my whole work more stressful. But at the end of the day, I was able to like sort all of those things out. So mainly this week was just interacting with the smart contracts with the front end. And now in the course of doing that, I understood how to write better smart contracts because I was now interacting with them. I noticed that, oh, I didn't add an event to this thing, so I had to go back to redeploy the smart contract again, added what I needed to add, or all of those things that I didn't catch. I had to go back to catch them to move ahead. So that is it. Now, that's not all. I am attaching a screen record of one of the projects I built. I think a couple of weeks back, I built a lottery smart contract where several people could come in and put a little bit of money to just register to qualify for the lottery. And at the end of the day, the admin or the staff picks a winner, and one person goes home with all the money. So this is it in English. The smart contract is on GitHub, and now you're going to see how I interact with it from the front end. So yeah, just watch and let me know.
Okay, so this is the app that I built, the lottery the app that I built. As you can see, this is the home page. So that is the lottery balance, and already two people have already played. here. So this form field is just for you to input how much you want to put in, and the next page is just for you to see the last winner. That person was the last winner, and that was the amount he or she won. This is a field for you to pick a random winner. That's just only the admin can play or can use that. Now this is just telling you what it was built with. It was built with Next, Tailwind, Wagme, React, TypeScript, Solidity, and Hard Hat, and some other details there. So just going back, I'm going to connect to the wallet. Already is connected. I'm just going to show you how it looks. The drop down will show you the different networks that you can connect to. I'm using Golly testnet, so I'll just continue and I'll play. Now it triggers MetaMask, and MetaMask will bring a pop-up for you to confirm the transaction, and of course I would confirm and wait for some minutes, because it's a blockchain and it's a bit slow. So I'm going to go back and refresh the page, and hopefully the lottery balance should increase and the number of players should increase as well. Now that is a confirmation from MetaMask. So I think I'm just going to refresh the page now, so we see the updates. Okay, I think I would refresh again, and yay, you can see, so the lottery balance has increased, the number of players have increased as well. So I'm going to change this account. I'll connect to another account, because at the end of the day it will be different people that will be using this. So I'll connect to a different account and I'll try to play. So I'm just going to refresh just to be sure that it's connected properly. I just want to ensure that the balance, the address updates as well. So I'm going to click on play. Already I just put a fixed price there, so that you don't need to do that yourself. And of course you confirm the transaction. Wait for some minutes, no, not a minute, not up to minutes, just a short while, then I'll refresh browser. Okay, yeah, the transaction is confirmed, it's been successful. So I'll refresh the browser. I think I'll refresh again, and yes, you can see that it has been updated. We have 4 players now. And now take note of the last winner. The last winner was 0x88. Okay, now this is saying that denied, not a staff. So that error is because I set it to be that only the staff can click on that pick winner. So I'm just going to change to the wallet address that is the staff that I set on deployment. And so it's supposed to show a custom error, but I've not done that yet, so just have to go with that for now. So I'll connect, and just to be sure that it has changed. Yes, so I'm going to pick winner, and now it works. You see, it's working now. Then I'll confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Now the thing is, since this is the blockchain, for every transaction that you're going to change something on the blockchain, you have to write, sort of, you have to sign. So that is what is going on here, just in case you are not familiar with this. That's just the only way to verify a transaction. So now you see the button has changed to picking, so we'll just wait for some minutes. Take note of the latest winner, because it's going to change. And yes, it has changed, but I'll go back to the home page and just refresh, just to be sure. Now because we have picked a winner, it has cleared, and see the address, the new address has been the latest winner rather, with the amount that the person won, has been updated. You can see, yeah, it works. So yeah, it has been updated, and the current yeah, so 0.004 ethers. Yeah, so it works.
Okay, so you saw how everything was joined together. So the smart contract was written by me. Then I designed the UI. Then I built out the UI. Then I connected it with the smart contract, and it is working. It's not perfect. There are a lot of things that not a lot, just some minor things that I didn't do. But I didn't want to like spend more time making it perfect. So I decided to just push out what I have, and I'm going to improve on it some other time. So that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.